Welcome to our current gaming PC build for September 2024. Today, we'll introduce you to the best components for a top-tier setup. Let's get started. For the CPU, we recommend the Intel Core i9-14900K. With 24 cores and 32 threads, it provides outstanding performance for both gaming and multitasking. It's currently priced at €750. When it comes to the graphics card, nothing beats the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 right now. It comes with 24 GB of GDDR7 memory and the latest DLSS 4 technology for exceptional gaming performance. The price, around €2,200. For the motherboard, we recommend the Asus ROG Maximus Z890 Hero. It supports PCIe 5.0, DDR5 RAM, and offers plenty of connectivity options for all your gaming peripherals. The price is around €500. You'll need fast memory for this build, so we recommend the Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB DDR5 7200. It has 32 GB of RAM, 2x16 GB to handle all your gaming and streaming needs. This costs around €300. For storage, we suggest the Samsung 990 Pro NVMe SSD with 2 TB capacity. It offers blazing fast read and write speeds, perfect for loading games in seconds. The price is about €250. To power this beast, you'll need a reliable PSU like the Corsair RM1000X. With 1000 watts of power and 80 gold efficiency, it'll handle everything smoothly. Price, €180. To keep your CPU cool, we recommend the Noctua NHD 15 Chromax Black. It's one of the best air coolers on the market and keeps your system running quietly. This will set you back €110. For the case, we recommend the Lionlie PCO11 Dynamic EVO. It has great airflow, a sleek design, and plenty of room for cable management. The price is about €180. So for this high-end gaming setup, the total cost comes to about €4,470. It's an investment, but for the best performance in 2024, it's well worth it. And that's it for our high-end gaming PC build. With this setup, you're ready to take on any game with maximum performance. Thanks for watching. This setup includes the latest and most powerful components for top-tier gaming performance. CPU, Intel Core i9-14900K, €750. A powerful 24-core processor for multitasking and gaming. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, €2,200. The best graphics card on the market with 24 GB of GDDR7 memory and DLSS 4. Motherboard, Asus ROG Maximus Z890 Hero, €500. A feature-rich motherboard with PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 support. RAM, Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB DDR5 7232 GB, €300. High-speed RAM to handle demanding games and multitasking. Storage, Samsung 990 Pro 2 TB NVMe SSD, €250. Fast storage for rapid game loading and file transfers. Power supply, Corsair RM1000X1000W 80 Gold, €180. Reliable and efficient power for the entire build. CPU cooler, Noctua NHD 15 Chromax Black, €110. One of the best air coolers for keeping the CPU cool and quiet. Case, Lionlie PCO11 Dynamic EVOs, €180. A stylish case with excellent airflow and space for cable management. Total cost, €4,470. This build is designed for enthusiasts who want the best gaming experience in 2024.